I enjoyed drawing this so much that I forgot to film any of the sketching process. The cute little dragons, little Christmas dragons. But we're gonna ink it, and I might color this guy. So stick around. I have picked out all my colors, I think. This guy. I want to do this guy. Color swatches up here. I think that's what I want for the eyes. The eyes. And for the body, I'm going to go with greens. I picked 3 shades. One to be your lightest, one to be your darkest, and then your mid-tone. So you can really get that depth. Chartreuse. I think that's been like the top color for Christmas for quite a few years now. Excuse my voice, I've caught the plague from my children, possibly. And I am a little bit stuffed up, but still going strong. I actually really like all these together. Nice. These are for the little bits of extra. That'll be my darkest dark. We got a lovely red because Christmas. Ooh, I love that red. It's probably my favorite. Which one is it? Geranium. R865. It's the Ohuhu marker set. I'm not sure which set this one is, but it didn't have a name. Lovely. These two will work nicely together, I think. Let's see which one comes darker. As they dry a little bit darker. So this swatch system just helps you kind of get a bearing on your colors. I think I'm going to start with the eyes. I think I was intending on more blue, but this is definitely more of a green kind of blue. I'll lean in towards the green, but that's okay. I love it. Really pretty colors. A little Christmas dragon. Look, it'll be so cute. And we'll do our line art here in a bit. Let's get that. Yeah, we're gonna actually color over that. That is the tail wagging. Hopefully I see it still. Small Christmas dragons. They're so cute. Golden Christmas egg. Put your second layers in. Make sure everything's blended in nice. Nice and smooth. My nose is running. Little fluffy Santa hat. I have been looking forward to coloring this ever since I drew it. When I was drawing it, I forgot to film any part of it because I was sitting and watching TV and enjoying every minute of it. And all I did basically when I started filming this was, or when I started drawing these, I just looked up a few pictures on Pinterest there to kind of get an idea for how the little dragon babies would kind of look. Just a general shape so that I could kind of go off that afterwards. So once I had like a general shape for the dragon, I just kept on going. Just kept drawing them. And so I'd started with like 2 big circles basically. And then just changed kind of position, but kept with those big circles to, except for this guy. He was harder to draw. I had to look up a puppy and then still try to figure out how a lizard puppy would look. I'm not totally happy with how that one turned out, but I don't mind it. It was cute. It still is cute. Fun! Don't mind that. Little Christmas dragon. All I'm going to do here is use this for some shading. Shadow. Shadow? Yeah. That's about it. And then we'll blend it back in. These aren't really pages meant for alcohol markers either, but it's alright. I got my fancy little thingies here for the bleed through, which is a fair bit. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, this hat's gonna make me so happy. I love the color. Love it. I'm not very good at coloring, but that doesn't mean I don't enjoy it, because I absolutely do. I'm gonna use this dark brown for the shading. What? Dark dragon. Okay. Oh, I can't wait. He's gonna look so cute. That might take away... I don't know if I'll be able to see my sketch underneath after. Oh, maybe. Yes, I can. Oh, Puppet Dragon. Freshly hatched for Christmas. These are gonna be the horn color and also the hat. If you're doing white, you don't really want to make it... You don't want to leave it like paper white. You have to kind of make it look white, if that makes sense, by making it a base color, and then you'll do the other colors on top that are darker, and it gives it kind of an idea of being white. We want, is that too dark? Yeah. I might put some of the blue of the eyes in the scales here. Oh, that's so cute. This is my favorite one yet. I have other plans for all this. Maybe his claws didn't come in yet. Oh. Might have. It's okay, we can fix that. It might be a totally different color, but just maybe darken up over here. Okay. Okay, let's do his nose. Building up some of the darker things. And just keep building those up. We're definitely going to put some blue. Trying to keep it Christmassy colors. And add some darker shadow. Okay, add some more. I really could just do this like all day. Make it look fluffy. Super fluffy Santa hat. That's the way. Going to darken up the eye there. There we go. And probably a little bit around in here. Give it a bit of, just a bit. Make it look like he's sitting in there. Alright. Then we'll add some line art. Time to do some outlining where it all starts coming together. Just brings out all those details. That cute little dragon. Keep this kind of sharp and rigid with the egg shape. Alright, let's get back to it. We've got a little dragon. Cute little hat specifically made for dragons. I don't know what I was doing there. Well, maybe the next one turns out a little bit better. I can't actually see fully what I drew there. That's alright. Just sketches and doodles. Alright. Cute little toes. More little toes. That makes more sense. Yeah, those hands did not turn out good, but that's alright. Fluffy. I'm kind of looking forward to this one. It's a real cute one. Give him a little bit more of an angry kind of look. Oh, fire. Yes. So he's not as mean looking. Rawr. Yeah, he's cute. Let's just doodle all the dragons in. See if I can make this one look just ever so slightly more happy and playful. A little bit rounder eyes. It could be like cats, you know how they get like super, like their pupils get so big when they're playing or hunting. Kind of thinking it would be similar. There we go. I like that. I think that looks a little bit better. A little bit more playful. These were hard to get the angles on. Really struggled there. Getting the angles for the horns. So I kind of want them, I want them to be a little bit more chunky and small. Hopefully that works. I don't know yet. We'll see when it's all together and done. A little divot there. Their wings haven't fully come in yet. Still tiny. This one had little tiny claws, but they're not sharp yet. Or maybe they are sharp. I don't know. Kittens have super sharp claws when they're little. It's like razors. Where is its actual? There we go. So that's the tail. I want it to look like it's wagging, so I think I'm going to just do dotted lines to indicate that's where they were last. Yeah, does that make sense? Ooh, I don't know. Maybe a little bit. That's okay. We're just gonna go with it. There. And there's our dragons. So cute. This one looks pretty wonky, but that's alright. We were basically going for wonky anyways. Let's give them some shine to their eyes. Make them look extra cute. Starry-eyed little dragons. Gotta just speed it up a little bit, make it work again. Oh, it made a heart. Maybe this will be better. Oop. Yeah. There we go. extra bright. They're cute. Let's add a little bit of scales, I guess. Not too much, just enough to indicate dragon. Maybe that one's got like a belly lines. This one can too. See some center lines for the inside stuff, just to give it that's the wrong direction. An idea of depth to your line work. I actually prefer to do the outlines just a little bit thicker. This is a Tombow brush pen. They're not very light fast, but they are fun to work with. And I seem to recall they're relatively cheap. They're not like totally overpriced. Just kind of makes it pop. I like it. That is wonderful. I don't know how much more I'm going to do with the outlines or coloring. I think that looks okay. That's my little Christmas spread. Let's maybe change this and just add a little title in there. Watch me spell Christmas wrong. Maybe I should just do that not in pen first. Christmas dragons. Yeah. $20.24. There. Wonderful. I think that's about does it for this spread. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Have a Happy New Year. And I'll be back probably shortly after the New Year. Yeah. I'm gonna take her easy for the holidays. See you later.